Find the solution to the linear inequality x minus 2y less than 0 graphically. Let us begin. First, what we'll do, we will consider the xy coordinate plane. Now that we have the xy coordinate plane, we will convert the given inequation into an equation. All we have to do is replace the inequality symbol with an equality symbol. That means we'll get x minus 2y equals to 0. Our next task will be to sketch the graph of x minus 2y equals to 0. Now, to sketch the graph of x equals to 2y, we'll use the tabular method. So let's say we consider a table where we have coordinates value for x and y. We're going to choose x to be equals to 0. So when x equals to 0, y also comes out to be 0. Then if we choose y to be equals to 1, then x is going to give us the value equals to 2. We'll plot these 2 points on a xy coordinate plane. So here we have the point 0, 0. And then we have the other point when x equals to, let's say when x equals to 2, then y is going to be equals to 1. So we're 2, 1. And now what we'll do, we'll draw a line that passes through these 2 points. So we have the graph of x minus 2y equals to 0. Now we can observe here that this line divides the xy plane into 2 regions. One region is going to be above the line and the other region is going to be below the line. Let's consider region 1 to be the region corresponding to the one that's above the line, and below the line we're going to consider it to be region number 2. Now we need to check that any one of the 2 regions is going to be a solution of the given linear inequality. For this, what we'll do, we'll pick up a random point. So let's say we pick up a point from region number 1. Let's say we pick up this particular point which is -2, 0. So at the point -2, 0 where we have x equals to -2 and y equals to 0, we will substitute this value in our inequality. So we have x minus 2y less than 0, so that means we have -2 minus 2 times 0 less than 0. This is going to give us -2 less than 0. So here, this is a true state. -2 is indeed less than 0, which means that this point -2, 0, which belongs to region number 1, is going to be a solution to a given linear inequality. So what we will do, we will be shading region number 1. Now shading region number 1 means that including the point -2, 0, any point that is picked up from region number 1 is going to satisfy the given inequality. However, when we are sketching the shaded line, you can notice here that I am not letting these lines touch the line x minus 2y equals to 0. Now this has been done to indicate that x minus 2y is less than 0. That means any point that lies on this line is not going to be a part of the solution. It can be only above the line. And we can also double check that any solution picked up from region number 2 is not going to be a solution. So let's say we pick up the point 2, -3. So we will substitute this value into our inequality. So at 2, -3, so we have 2 minus 2 times -3 less than 0. So we get 2 added to 6, so that's 8. 8 is less than 0. No, that's a false statement. So that means any points that we pick up from region number 2 is not going to be a solution to the given linear inequality. It's only going to be from region number 1.